So thank you so much for being here today, Deborah. You are 1 week post-op right knee replacement, right?
Correct. Actually, 6 days.
6 days. So tell us, and you had, we don't have to name any names, but you had your left knee done by a different surgeon, right?
Correct.
So what has been different this time around with your knee?
Lots of things. One, 6 days later, it looks beautiful compared especially to my other one. My other one, I had severe swelling and bruising for about 14 inches, and there's barely any at all right now. I was able to bend to 90 degree on Friday after having my surgery on Wednesday because of the ROM and the ice and, you know, following things that your office had, tools, I guess, that your office had provided. Doctor. So yeah, I'm on a cane right now, no walker. So I'm excited.
And today, so I just, for full disclosure, for those of you watching the video, this is totally not scripted. She did not know I was going to ask her any of these questions today. Tell us what your physical therapist said to you about how everything looked. And
my physical therapist, I haven't seen him yet. I see him Friday.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your was it your friend?
Oh,
yeah, your friend.
Saw me on the
yeah.
I took a photo of me riding the ROM bike and sent it to my friend who had a knee replacement in February, and she's like, "Oh my God, you're at 90 degrees already," and that was on Friday. So I was really triumphant. I must say though, Thursday was a super bad day. I was crying. I thought, why did I have this done? Since I'd already had the other one done, I knew it would get better. I was surprised it got this better this quick.
Awesome.
So yeah, it's been good.
And how's your pain been? How manageable has it been?
I've been off narcotics since Sunday. I'm just taking Tylenol now, 3 times a day.
Awesome. And is there anything else you want to say to anyone who is maybe thinking about doing a surgery like this but might be a little apprehensive?
Do it. And almost everybody that I know who will say, I don't know why I waited so long to have surgery. Like I said, you do 1 day, but for the rest, it's a piece of cake, basically, really.
Nice. And what made you choose Dr. Goff in particular?
We had a friend who had Dr. Goff did his surgery 2 months ago.
Perfect.
So, and also the robotic and the technique.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. It's been a remarkable journey already, and I can't wait to see you in 6 weeks.
Right. All right. Thank you.